Jai Hind everyone. My lecturate topic is Aditya L1. From the name itself, it seems a little technical term. Aditya means sun and L1 means Lagrange point. What is it? So Aditya L1 is India's first solar observatory mission. It's a spacecraft which will study the sun's atmosphere. Now, what is L1 here? L1 stands for Lagrange point 1. What is it? Well, we all remember Newton, right? And his laws. So, if you want to remember his laws, we all know one thing that Newton said in his third law, that every action has equal and opposite reaction. The two objects in atmosphere or in the universe attracts each other. And when two objects attract each other, there is a kind of tug of war. And in this line of action, there is one point where the force of attraction or the net effect between the two objects is zero. And that point is called Lagrange point. So when it's a sun, a large body, and Earth, a small body, when these two bodies are attracting each other and continuously revolving around in the space, so there are different points where the net effect or gravitational force between the two objects is zero. That is called Lagrange point, and in total there are 5 Lagrange points. L1 is the nearest to Earth. What is the distance? It is 1.5 million kilometers. And do you know what is the interesting fact here? It is only 1% of the Earth and Sun's distance between Earth and Sun. The total distance between Earth and Sun is 147.27 million kilometers. Wow, that's amazing. India sent its spacecraft, which is of around 400 crore, and it will be reaching to the point L1 in 4 months. And this aircraft will study how the sun affects us. What it's going to do, there are 7 payloads, out of which 4 will study sun, and the remaining 3 payloads will study point L1. In this point, we will be observing about the solar effect, its flares and ionized plasma. We will be studying about the sun's core nuclear fusion. Actually, the temperature in the sun's atmosphere is called as chromosphere and chroma. The temperature there is between 5000 to 6000 degrees Celsius. But you know what inside the temperature? Inside the sun? Inside the temperature ranges between 1 million to 30 million degrees Celsius. That's too much. And you know what? There are several theories regarding that, but it is a myth. So India is going to study that. What other things are we going to perform? We are going to perform the missions like solar storms. We'll be studying about it. Last time when solar storm hit Earth, it was in 1859, and in 2012 we missed it. So definitely it's an important thing for us to understand. Our universe is very vast and big. We send aircrafts, we send spacecrafts there, and if we want to be there for a long period of time, we need to understand the space weather, and that is also affected by the sun. So we need to understand that problem too. So that's all from my side. India is a country which has done a lot in space technology. Vikram Sarabhai was the founder of Indian Space Research Organization, and his vision was for the development of the overall India at the global level. And it's a very proud moment that today we are studying all the objects, celestial bodies in universe. Thank you so much.